Hello, so John is 25 here and we're in for another video named, Roller Coaster Evil Santa. So, we're gonna review this. Okay, so day 4. Extra help, create tricks. Okay, so I think we're gonna do that. So day 4 map 4. Roller Coaster The Evil Santa, map made by Dag Ray, the clever survivor. You're going on a hard mission. Make sure you are healthy and have all resources from the chest. Okay, so let's just do what it says. So we need to get all these resources. Oh no, it happened. This can't be real. We are doomed. Somebody, anybody, please help us. Oh hello, let me explain you what is going on. So this is like, when I see this I imagine Happy Wheels. Evil minions invaded this place. Oh, minions again. Fuck minions. Control of Santa's workshop. The elves tried to stop them, but it was too late. They well installed a virus in Santa's brain, so Mr. Claus became evil. Okay, so I think it's true. So he transformed all the elves into ships and made them. Okay, hello Sheepy. Sheepy. It's baby Sheepy. Look in all the gifts and they now must make coal instead of toys. Evil Santa also destroyed the houses of this village, but your house is still okay, so that's miracle, I think. So please use the real road and enter on Santa's body. Destroy the evil virus and save Christmas. Christmas, I'm saving you! Yeah! Oh my god, an elf. An elf. Oh shit. When I wish my mama will have a gift for me in this coming Christmas. Okay, yeah. I'm on the brain, I think. So, yeah. This is our first stop. We are traveling on Santa's brain. That's me. I'm so smart. We're in the brain. Now to eliminate the virus, you must blow it up. Once the water falls, you can continue. Other side, when the gate opens, you can continue. Now place the TNT, ignite, and run to the. Okay, so now place the TNT, ignite it, and run to the other side. When the gate opens, you can continue. So yeah. Okay, I understand. Yeah, so place it here. Roses. Don't bump. That okay. Cool. Okay, so virus number 1 eliminated. 3 remaining. Okay, so easy. I can't see minion in here. Oh yeah. How hard is that? Stop. Water. I didn't know water that a brain has water, so yeah. Virus number 2 eliminated, 2 remaining. Oh my god. Why did I fart while making a video? Okay, so let's just don't care about the fart. Okay, so only 1 remaining. Let's ride it on. Okay, this is my last one. Santa, before I do this, can I have a favor? Please give me Nexus 7 in this coming. I just made this brain. Yay, water! Virus 4 eliminated, no more. Now let's get out of here. Hurry up. Why? It's no big deal. What's happening, huh? What? Funk. Oh no, bad news. We are trapped. Oh, fuck you. Why are you doing this to me? Besides Santa, how do we get out of here? You noob! This is your map and you don't know how to get out of here? Stay tuned to know how we should escape. Fuck you. Is this a movie? And we are like in, this is not Santa's brain, this is SpongeBob's brain. Okay, so subscribe, YouTube, Clever Survivor. Fuck you. Thanks for playing, stay awesome. Okay, so I believe in staying frosty, not awesome. So, okay, so I guess this is all of it. So, thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time, guys. George 25, always love you, maybe.